Hi boys and girls, here's our math class for Wednesday. We're going to be dividing. Again, we're going to be dividing the normal way, the regular way to divide. But I will show you that if you're more comfortable with one of the other ways, you can use that. Okay, so let me flip my camera. Oh, got a big bar in the way. Okay, so we're going to divide two-digit numbers by one-digit numbers, okay? So 18 divided by 7 equals blank, remainder blank, okay? So you can do the arrays where you put groups of 7, okay? And you can see that I have two groups of 7, okay? And then I have 4 left. You can do the repeated subtraction. 18 minus 7 is 11. 11 minus 7 is, that should be 4 right there, sorry. So we have 2 times that we subtracted 7, and then we have 4 leftovers, okay? The way that you would do this in today's assignment would be like this. 18 divided by 7, okay? Now I'm going to show you how to use a multiplication chart real quick to help you divide, okay? So we're dividing by 7. We're going to go as close to 18 as we can without going over 18. 21 is too high, so we have to come back to the 14. I go all the way up, and it tells me 7 will go in there 2 times. So I put my 2 above the 8. 2 times 7 is 14. And we subtract, and we have a remainder of 4. Okay, so this is, we don't have to worry about bringing down today. Divide, then we multiply, then we subtract when we do it this way, okay? You can do it whatever way works for you. If drawing out X's helps you, go ahead, be sure you're doing this. One thing, the remainder can never be bigger than the number you're dividing. It always has to be less, okay? So let me show you the division chart, or the multiplication chart again. If I have 56 divided by 7, I go to my 7s, go all the way over to 56, and then I go all the way up to the top to this black line on mine, and it tells me that 7 will go into 56 8 times, okay? You just use your multiplication chart backwards. 81 divided by 9, we go up, we see it's 9, okay? Here's 54. 54 divided by 9, go all the way up to the top, and it tells you 9 goes into 54 6 times. So you can use this backwards to do division, okay? And I'll be showing you that. Okay, 46 divided by 6. I drew out 6 X's in a row, okay? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Remainder 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? And I can show that to you right here. 46 divided by 6. Go across your 6's. Remember, you cannot go above 46. So 48 would be too high. This is less than 46, but we know we're going to have remainders. We go all the way up to the top, 7. So I put my 7 over the 6. We divided, now we multiply. 7 times 6 is 42. And then we subtract. 6 minus 2 is 4. Here's 0. I got the same answer as when we did the array. Okay? So here's 13 divided by 4. I can do the X's groups of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many groups of 4 are there? 3. How many leftovers or remainders? 1. Okay, so let's try this with the multiplication chart. Go to your 4s. Remember, you cannot go over 13. Up, that's too high, so we're going to come back. It says 3 times. We put our 3 here. 3 times 4 is 12. And then we subtract. So we have 3, remainder 1. Okay? 37 divided by 5. Personally, I don't want to draw out 37 x's. If you want to and that works for you, go ahead. So we have 5s. We're going to go over the 5s till I get as close to 37 without going over. 40 is too high, so we're going to go with 35. 7. So I put my 7 above here. Now I multiply 7 times 5. Multiply the outside numbers. 7 times 5 is 35. And then I subtract. 7 minus 5 is 2. 3 minus 3 is 0. So I have a remainder of 2. Now I can do this too. The repeated subtraction. 37 minus 5 would be 32. Minus 5 would be 28. Minus 5. No, I'm sorry, that'd be 27. Minus 5 would be 22. Minus 5 would be 17. Minus 5 would be 12. Minus 5 would be 7. Minus 5 would be 2. And I can't get 5 out of 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's my 7. Here's my remainder, my leftovers, 2. Okay? So you can do it either way. If you want to draw out the x's, you can draw out the x's. Here we go. We have a few more problems, okay? 22 divided by 9, okay? We're going to go across our 9s and get as close to 22 without going over. 27 is more than 22, so we back it down and we get 2. I put the 2 up here. 2 times 9 is 18. After we multiply, we subtract. 2 minus 8, I can't do that. I have to borrow from the 2 here. That becomes 1. Now I have 12 minus 8. That's 4. And that's 0. So 2 remainder 4. I can go like this. 22 minus 9 would be 13. 13 minus 9 would be 4. Okay, so I have my 2 9s, 2 right there, remainder 4. Okay? 7 divided by 3, groups of 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and there's 7. 7 divided by 3, how many groups? 2. And I have 1 left over. Okay, let's go to the multiplication chart. 3, up, 9's too high, so we back it down to 6. 2 times, just like I got right there. 2 times 3 is 6, and we subtract, and we have a remainder of 1, just like I got there. 7 minus 3 would be 4. 4 minus 3 would be 1. Here's my 2. Remainder 1. Okay? 26 divided by 3. Okay, go across my 3's. Remember, I can't go over 26. 27's too high, so we go with this one straight up, 8. So we put the 8 right there. 8 times 3 is 24. And we subtract, and we have remainder 2. Okay? 42 divided by 8. Go across your 8s, get as close to 42 as you can. Too high, so we go with 40. 5 times. 5 times 8 is 40. And we subtract, and we have a remainder of 2. 42 minus 8 is 37 minus 8. I'm sorry, that would be 34. Minus 8 would be 26. Minus 8 would be 14. Minus... No, I did something wrong here. 42 would be 24, 26. This would be 18. Minus 8. Let's see, 18 minus 8 would be 10. Oh, something's not working out here, guys. I'm sorry. Oh, yeah. Minus 8 would be 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's my 5. Here's my remainder. Remainder 2. Okay? 2 more problems. 31 divided by 7. Go across your 7s. 35's too high, so we got to go there. 4. 4 times 7 is 28. I can't subtract that, so I have to borrow. This becomes 2. Okay, 3, 0, so 4, remainder 3. 31 minus 7 would be 24. Minus 7 would be 17. Minus 7 would be 10. Minus 7 would be 3. So here's my 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 groups of 7 right there with a remainder of 3. Okay? 38 divided by 4. Go across your 4s. 32, 36, 40 is too high, so we're going to go with 36. That would be 9 times. Okay, 9 times 4 is 36, and we subtract, and we have a remainder of 2. So that's your assignment for today. You are going to go, like we showed you here, to IXL Math E10. Okay? Have a great day.